Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket.
Guys, I couldn't get any parking, so I had to park all the way up the road.
One umbrella.
Thank you. Guys, I'm at the beach. I'm at Dr. Cove in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Since quarantine, the beaches were closed and I haven't been to the beach since. It's kind of strange because normally you have the beach chairs and all, but now no beach chairs are allowed. You just can grab an umbrella. Well, you have to purchase an umbrella and then they take it from there. Yeah, man, one mess. Yeah, please, because I'm going to need some stuff. I know what I want. I need a purple rain, but I want it strong. But I'm going to need the menu. For food? Yeah, because my purple rain. Please, tell them I want it strong. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is the beginning. Blah, blah, blah. Guys, welcome to another video. Now, I said earlier in my last video that I'm gonna start doing weekly vlogs. So this is episode 1. I'm gonna put them in episodes. So this is weekly vlogs episode 1. Now I am at Dr. Cove in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now, remember I told you guys that I am from Montego Bay, so this is what beach, like there is no other beach to me in Jamaica like Dr. Cove Beach. I love it here. They have a good bar, they have good food, you know, but this is my first time this is my first time attending the beach since the whole COVID situation, and I'm telling you, it is so strange, guys. By the way, I have on minimal things on my face. I don't know how my face is looking, but I applied a powder and I don't know what happened, so please do not judge it. I'm having a purple rain. Of course, you know that I have to have a little bit of spirit. We don't leave the spirit out of our lives. We need the spirit. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm at the beach alone as per usual. I got an umbrella, but it's so strange to me because usually when I come to the beach, I get a chair and an umbrella, but due to the whole COVID things, and they are practicing, you know, the right protocols to prevent the spreading of the coronavirus, we are not allowed to have the beach chairs anymore. So I guess you can only grab an umbrella and then you set your own setup. You know, I have my little setup. A man just sold me some guinea. You guys know about this? This is guinea. I just had to buy it. Wait there, one dropper. Yeah, but I had to buy a guinea. So this is my beach blankets. have my little cushion here. I have my drink there, my bag there. Of course, I told you guys about this bag. I shall be using every last dollar that I spent on it, but it's so convenient. I don't know if the lighting is dark right here, but yeah guys, this is the beach, you know. People are enjoying themselves, you know, but I soon walk out there. I ordered food because I am starving. But this is what the beach is looking like. That's the sandbar right there. I might head over there and have a drink at the bar. Not sure. Oops. Ladies' belly. But yeah. This is Montego Bay, Jamaica. This beach is absolutely beautiful. I don't know, you know, about nobody else, you know. But when it comes to Jamaica, don't play with us on the beaches. Like, I don't count anything else. And even like Kingston people, we don't really technically we don't have a beach, you know. You understand me? There is not a beach. You have Hellshire and Fort Clarence. But let me not say that because I want my Kingston people to support me. I love Kingston, by the way. I used to live there for years, so. Ooh. I have the camera on the tripod. It's kind of cool. Guys, remember in my Amazon... Boy, old age. Camera. Age. But yeah, guys. So, I don't know where the cover for this is. It's in one of my bags, but this is my facial sunscreen. I applied it. This is the Elta MD. I'm looking in the viewfinder. I applied this to my face, and remember in my Amazon haul I had this Bum Sol Oil SPF 30 sunscreen. It's an illuminating sun protective oil for Brazilian babe skin. I'm not a Brazilian babe, but I'm a Jamaican babe, so I applied this just, and I just, you know, our body glow. Guys, I need to wax my hands, but that video is coming. I purposely tried to grow up my hair just because I want to try something with you guys. So if you see my hand looking strange, please, then again, we're one family over here. So yeah guys, this is, I like this oil. It is, I'm glowing. I don't know if you can see the effect, but I like it. I don't know if I'm smelling anything, but it says for flaunting day and night. It's never greasy on it. Oh, just because I take, you know, some nice. So today I really, as I was saying, like, I don't know if I mentioned it, I wanted to go to the gym. I wanted to start the gym, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start the gym in a week, and then I'm gonna give you guys like fitness updates and the routines and stuff, because I've gained a little weight during the COVID. I think all of us gained some weight in the COVID thing, but it's never too late. We can get it off, you know. So I have a lot of content coming from my weekly vlogs. I'm so excited to share, you know, these little journeys with you guys. Like, I'm so excited. But yeah, I really wanted to take some time today and come to the beach because, one, I fear that they're gonna close the beaches again because there is a spike in the island, mostly to Kingston side right now, and I know when there's a spike they're going to try to close down the beach. So I wanted to come and take in this thing, this beach thing, this beach vibes. I am so weird, guys. Like, I like coming to the boy, next foot. I like to come to the beach. A lot of times I'm by myself. I don't know, I like to see people happy. Is that weird? People look for me now. People look for me. People are saying, oh, that girl there, talk to herself. But I'm talking to y'all. I'm not talking to myself. So technically, I'm not crazy, right? All my food is here, guys. Do you want to say hi to my vlog?
I'll come as soon as I'm back. I'll say hi, of course.
Okay, guys. I got my.
Sean, I'm gonna get me.
Okay. Guys, so I got my food. I'm not even like a melody. Listen to me, I have a serious hate for these boxes. Like, me hate it, but feel like I beg me a beg something. But yes, I'm gonna lift y'all up. This is it. Fish, steamed bami, veggie. I just ate the setup here. I don't like this. I ate the box. But honestly, I ate the box with a passion. I'm gonna fold it up because I want to look at thumbnail, picture. Or I can use my phone. I'm not going to turn on. But yeah, I'm going to taste the guinea. Guinea papa buzz. When I say guinea man, I'll go walking around the bush. I'm going to tell you guys a secret. I'm nearsighted and I can't see the viewfinder, so I just hope to God that I'm looking cute. Plus, remember, I keep it real with you guys. Let me look. Got scared a while ago and I accidentally killed the bee. He's not dead though. Like, I slap him with a cushion. Go bee. Where am there? Go. Go fly. I'm so sorry that I slapped you with the cushion. I feel so bad. Father God, forgive me. He's not dead though. Hi guys, I am at my friend's baby shower. Her surprise baby shower. We all have to be wearing masks. So I don't know if you're hearing me. I'll probably soon take it off.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be here for an awesome event. As we say thanks in Jesus' name.
Amen. What a game name? Judge the belly.
I think it's Bishop.
Oh.
Hold on. 3 more. How much play did he get?
Wait there, what?
I want to say
Just cheer when you think it's too time. Just cheer. I remember we're on a time limit, so we have to hurry.
You can come to the Canada.
So everybody get that chance.
One more.
Yeah.
Them a do your bad friend. Friend that doing your bad. But
And anybody that win, we have a little prize.
What is that song? That's a 12 song.
oh God, you do her bad. You do her bad, you do her bad. You do her bad. Alright. She cheated, guys. guys, I hope that you are all doing well. You know, I'm always saying that it's very important for me to set up because due to the time that we're living in, it's outside is crazy right now. So I'm in bed. I have my oils on my face. I oiled my scalp, and tomorrow morning I will be, well, I'm gonna attempt to get up early and head to the gym by 7:30 a.m. and start working off this quarantine weight off. Like, I have been eating, like, my diet has been very poor, so I know that I'm gonna try to get back in the gym. I signed up some time ago, so I'm gonna try to get back in the gym, and for the first month I'm gonna have to do a lot of cardio to get some of the weight off and get my body back into, because I used to work out a lot but I've gained so much weight. I only hope that when I wake up tomorrow morning, you know, I can fit in my gym clothes, because I haven't been in my gym clothes in about 2 months or 3 months, I'm not sure. I want to start working out again because I have been feeling like so slouchy and sad, but work, I don't know, I've been so caught up in work and I have been neglecting myself. And while I was working out, I used to feel like so much more energy. I used to be more energized. And sometimes as females, you know, sometimes we tend to, for whatever it is that we're going through, we tend to neglect ourselves. And I no longer want to do this because I see myself going back down to a path of I'm not caring about what time I'm eating, what I'm eating, and it's reflecting on my body. And now is not the time for us to, you know, to neglect ourselves, because when the immune system get affected. So I need to work back on putting some love on myself and finding time for my body. Health is wealth, and no matter how much we're working, no matter how hard we're working, it's all gonna be pointless if we're gonna work and just have to be spending it to the doctors. And I'm just saying, all of these things don't matter. So I can be working, and at the end of the day I am neglecting my happiness, you know. And I find that during this COVID thing, I have realized that material things, they are important, but there's way much more to life, you know. At this point in time, please excuse my neighbor's dog. I don't know if you're hearing him, he's annoying. But I believe that now more than ever we need to connect with our spiritual being, you know. I believe that we need to take care of us, take care of you, take care of what's happening with you inside your body, outside your body. Show some little love. So I want to stop neglecting myself. I've been neglecting Daniel for the past 2 months, as in how I'm eating, because I used to be so on point with it, but I don't know where I fell off. I don't know, but I'm gonna get back myself there. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna bring y'all with me, you know. Y'all probably gonna be my only company so early in the morning, but I haven't packed my gym bag as yet, so I'm gonna get up early and I'm gonna pack it. So about the hair journey now, I've been oiling my scalp. I have been using different oils because I don't think that I'm the type of person I like to confuse my hair, you know. I don't know if that makes sense, but I don't stick to one thing, because I think that sometimes when you use one thing, your hair get used to it and then boom, it stops working. So I alternate with different oils. I'm using castor oil right now, a mixture. I'm using different oils right now. So yeah, I'm using a lot of different oils in my hair right now, and I have been doing some scalp massages. So that is what is happening. We're gonna go more in depth with it, yeah, I hope y'all are liking my... Okay, so this is my first time doing the weekly vlog, and I hope, depending on your feedback, comment below if you want me to do weekly vlogs. You know, depending on your feedback, then I will see what I need to do, or if I should continue doing the weekly vlogs. But guys, I'm asking you please to subscribe, and it's all love over here. We are a little sisterhood, you know, Simply Danzy family, you know. So please remember, share with a friend, subscribe, comment please. Tell me about your fitness journey, your hair growth journey. What have you been doing to show a little love, a little extra love on yourself during this stressful COVID time? Like, guys, I'm honestly tired of it. I am over it. I don't know if everybody else is fed up. I'm sick and tired of the mask. I'm sick and tired of hearing the name COVID, Corona, quarantine. I'm over it. I think I was stress eating, to be honest. Like, I got some sleep today. I'm gonna try to just push myself. So tomorrow morning I am gonna do like an hour cardio, because we can't just start out in the gym and then boom 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 boom. I'm gonna do cardio first. So comment below. I want to hear from you guys please. Okay, just to subscribe, you know, participate. Appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the morning. Face basin, and I was looking for my key in the bag. I don't know how that's a mirror. Is it there? The whole of my bag full of water. Flood out my bag, flood right out. What's a good thing says one part? God, a sign. Yes, please.